Envision the sizzle, the crackle, the pop, the unmistakable symphony of grilling, the tantalizing aroma wafting through the air, inviting, promising a feast for the senses. That's pure joy. That's pure grilling. Welcome to the world of Eco-Grill Essentials, your premier destination for eco-friendly grilling supplies and accessories. We believe in the joy of grilling, but we also believe in protecting our planet. It's a delicate balance, but one we're committed to maintaining. Traditional grilling methods, while delicious, can have a significant impact on our environment. The waste from disposable grilling products and the release of harmful emissions are just some of the problems we face. But fear not, for there is a solution, and it's simpler than you might think. With Eco-Grill Essentials, grilling becomes a greener experience. Our extensive range of eco-friendly grilling products includes the likes of biodegradable charcoal and reusable grilling mats. The biodegradable charcoal burns clean, reducing smoke and emissions while providing a steady, long-lasting heat. Our reusable grilling mats, on the other hand, not only make grilling easier, but also contribute to reducing waste. One of our standout products is our biodegradable charcoal. It's more than just charcoal, it's a commitment to the environment. It burns hotter, lasts longer, and leaves behind nothing but ashes. And when it's time to clean up, our reusable grilling mats make the job a breeze. No more scraping and scrubbing, just a simple rinse and you're done. Grilling with Eco-Grill Essentials doesn't just mean a fantastic feast. It also means reducing waste and minimizing your environmental footprint. It's grilling that feels as good as it tastes. So why not make the switch today? Like, share, and subscribe for more grilling inspirations. Visit our website at ecogrill-essentials.com to explore our range of products and learn more about how we're changing grilling for the better. Grilling is joy, grilling is life, and with Eco-Grill Essentials, grilling is eco-friendly.